Good morning, Mary. I'm Roger here at Prime Motor Cars, Mercedes-Benz Sprinter in Scarborough, Maine. Thank you very much for your inquiry on this 2016 Mercedes-Benz Sprinter 12-passenger van. So this particular Sprinter van has all the safety features that were offered in 2016. It does have the fog lights on the front, which are really nice, especially in the wintertime or when it's foggy or the dim time of the day, which is gives you some extra visibility. We'll do a nice walk around. So this particular Sprinter van does have the electric step that comes out when we open the side slider, so you have a nice step getting in and out of the van. This does have leather interior. The seats are very nice. The woman that owned this van, she bought it from us brand new. She takes very good care of her vehicles. She trades with us every 2 years. And this van has 12,500 miles on it, which is very low mileage for a 2016. We'll come around the back, show you some more features. This Sprinter van also has the trailer hitch, so you could tow a 5,000-pound trailer behind you. Has a backup camera. The camera is really nice too, because you can see straight down and straight back behind the vehicle, and we'll demonstrate that in just a couple of minutes. And your back doors latch in place nice and firmly. This van also has a wood floor, but it also has a rubber mat covering, so it's very easy to keep clean. Our doors open up 270 degrees. Super strong magnet to hold these doors open, so if it's a little windy out or whatever and you need your back doors open for any reason, they're not going to just come around and hit you, which is a really nice feature. Then you just take this lever and fold it back, and it goes right back into place right here. All right, now Mary, we're gonna go for a test drive around the parking lot. So if you follow me this way, Mary, we're sitting here in the driver's seat of the Sprinter passenger van that you're very interested in. I want to show you a few things while we're sitting in here. So this particular Sprinter has a electrically heated windshield, which is very nice in the wintertime. This button right here turns your heated windshield on. It usually takes about 5 to 7 minutes to completely defrost and de-ice your windshield in the wintertime from having this. It's a very nice feature. Also, you have the rear window defroster here as well, which is very nice, so it'll clean that rear window off very quickly. It also has blind spot monitoring system, lane tracking assist, and collision prevention assist. All very, very important safety features in this Sprinter van. This van also comes with a USB port, has a very nice storage compartment up here in the dash. This vehicle has heated electric mirrors. It also has tilt telescoping steering wheel. It's got controls on the steering wheel for your radio, to answer your telephone, for your Bluetooth. On the left-hand side, it gives you all your menus in the instrument cluster, which is very nice. So now, Mary, I'm going to take you for a ride. So here at our dealership too, we also have a fully dedicated Sprinter service department. We have 3 dedicated Sprinter technicians that are all factory trained for any needs that are necessary on the Sprinter van for any services or repairs down the road. I'm going to give you a ride over this way. I just want to show you a little bit of our Sprinter facility over here. I'm going to take these vans also, in tight spots, they're very, very maneuverable. Lots of visibility. We're going to swing over here too, so we can give you a nice shot of our service department. Here's our Sprinter shop right here on our right. I'll just give you a ride around our dealership too, and I can show you how nice this vehicle goes around the tight spots. Very, very maneuverable. Very comfortable too. 12-passenger van. The seats are actually removable if you ever need to, you know, load up with anything from going to the hardware store or anything like that. The Sprinter's got the 3-liter V6 turbo diesel engine as well. It's very quiet, very, very good on fuel too. You'll get anywhere from 18 to 25 miles per gallon on fuel. And I want to show you our backup camera too. I'm going to back this into its back into its spot. I just want to demonstrate that for you. And as I said, they're very, very easy to maneuver. Lots and lots of visibility. The camera is very, very clear. So Mary, that's the end of our test drive. I hope you enjoy this short video that I made for you. And please feel free to give me a call. You can reach me on my cell phone at 207-838-0169. Looking forward to hearing back from you and get your input on our video. And thanks again for your inquiry. Have a great day.